How to grade your yard with fill dirt. Fill dirt has many applications when landscaping is done around your house. However, if your yard has low spots or is uneven, it can be brought up to grade with fill dirt. Normally topsoil is used for this type of purpose, but fill dirt will work as well. The object is to fill holes or low spots in your yard so that the entire yard is level or on the same grade. Things you'll need: lawn mower, roller, wheelbarrow, shovel, spreader. Mow your lawn with your lawnmower to help you see any depressions that are present in the yard. You may also want to attach a roller to your lawnmower and roll the yard to compact the ground. Locate any depressions in your yard and use a narrow-nosed shovel or a spade to remove the section of grass around the area. Remove the clump of grass with care because you will be replacing it later. Add the fill dirt into the wheelbarrow, get a shovel and go to the first depression or low spot in your yard. Scoop out a shovel full of fill dirt and drop it into the depression or low spot. Continue to add dirt until the level is just above the grade of the lawn. Spread out the fill dirt with the garden rake. Work excess dirt into the yard until the area is level with the existing grade. Set the clump of grass you removed earlier back onto the depression area. Press down on the clump of grass to work the roots into the dirt. This will help the grass re-root into the dirt. Apply loose fill from the wheelbarrow to low areas of your yard that do not have any grass. Spread out the dirt with the garden rake. Water the yard with a garden hose or a sprinkler. This will help the roots of the transplanted grass to take hold in the new fill dirt. Check the lawn for any remaining low spots after waiting about 2 weeks. During this time the dirt will completely settle and the roots of the transplanted grass will begin to take hold. Tips: warnings. Add grass seed and fertilizer to areas of the yard that are bare, after adding the fill dirt.